What's up, SOI fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post. With that being said, you guys, today is about the Infiniti, y'all. Yeah. So today's gonna be about the Infiniti. Y'all follow me on Instagram at SOI Customs. Make sure y'all follow Shay's Garage so y'all can see some of the builds. That is my backup page in case something happens. So yeah, SOI Customs on Instagram, Shay's Garage, and follow the people in the link in the description below. So yes, we fixing to get into this video. Let's get into work, you guys. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. So you guys, in order to take I'm gonna show y'all the glove box down. Some people say you can just snap out the actual glove box, which if you do that, you guys, I don't really know how that's gonna work. Whatever, I always just take mine all the way down. But you got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna be all the way up here. And once you also, for that, you take this out, you gotta take those 4 screws out too. But you do that, and then you got a screw right here. It's all the way in the back, and right here, which will be right here and right here on the glove box. And then after that, this is where your cabin air filter is at. You pop this open like so. Pop it up like that. Take this off. Then you should have access to it to pull it out. I gotta turn it, and then yup. As you guys can see, this thing is filthy. So yeah, we definitely needed to clean this out. So we got the new one right here, STP cabin air filter. We got the new one right here. So pop this one out. Sorry, y'all, the camera's going all over the place. Gonna pop this one out. They always say you can pop it out, but I just always take my screws out. I just always take my screws out. They always say you can pop the glove box down. I know. This is the instructions that come in. Oh no, so they always tell you to take the screws out. So I don't know what, somebody just commented on my other video saying, oh, you don't have to do all that. You just pop the glove box out. Show me how to do it. Other than that, this one points airflow down, airflow up. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this in, and then I'm gonna put the glove box back in, and then I'll tap back into it. Alright, you guys, so we got everything buckled back up, new filter in, glove box back up. I don't never put all my screws back in, you guys. I don't know why, I just don't do it. But yeah, got the glove box back up, got the screws in. It's holding it, it's up. Got the plastic cover back in. So now I'm about to put some interior lights back in. Got these off of Amazon. These are used with the USB instead. I don't ever hardwire these, so what I'm about to do is I'm fixing to run them, spread them all out. And I think I'm gonna run them different, because last time I put the 2 in the front and then I put 2 in the back, but I think I might put one right there. And I know I need to vacuum out my car, but I'm put one right there, probably like right underneath the seat, so it can shine like that way, and then put one on that side. Just leave them out and like probably mount the box on the driver's side. But yeah, so let's get these stretched out so we can get these installed.